Did you know that Nintendo Switch make this sound? Like if you press these buttons, it'll make the sound. So you press this. You see this? Look at me. And then you make this sound. Let me show you a trick. If you press this, like this L1 right here, like you press L2, it'll make the sound. If you press R2, it'll make the sound. Okay. See? This is what Nintendo Switch makes. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.